Oh, hello. The good doctor is in. I'm the doctor. Just kidding, I'm not a doctor, I'm a surgeon.
Well, it's because it's castoreum.
Wow.
It's a gland from a beaver.
Okay.
And where does the beaver spend most of his time?
Probably the fine essential oils that I'm using instead of turpentine.
Castoreum used to be used as a base for medicines.
Oh, yes. According to our good friend Adrian Vanderdonk, it cures epilepsy, constipation, bellyache, poisoning, toothache, earache, dizziness, trembling, gout, paralysis, palpitations, makes you see better. For Viagra, makes you sneeze, wakes you up, makes you go to sleep, gives you your period, and expels afterbirth.
Pretty much everything.
It is a talented animal.
Uh-huh.
Did you ever, would you be looking for ambergris?
Oh, maybe, yeah. Now that's stinky.
If you're ever lucky enough to be walking around on the shore, because it's weird, because it's weird stuff that.
Well, one of the things that it really seems is it's popular to catch flies because flies buzz a lot, and if you catch a fly in a paper box,
Smelly,
it's gonna be
perfumey, disgusting.
Box, it's gonna be
Whale.
buzzing.
It's going to be a little toy.
It's not gonna be
Yeah,
pleasant
because
to
when the
fly,
whale
but
is
it's
eating
gonna be
whale
very
vomit.
entertaining.
When the whale eats things
without
and
an
disagrees
iPad,
with
so.
it kind of like the ambergris is kind of like.
Yeah, and this is the
wrap
water
around the
bomb.
thing, it
That's
like
what this fold is known
hard
as
things
now
and then
in
it'll just pick
standard
it up and get it out of
origami.
the system.
And
It's kind of like where
it's
the whale can puke it up and the oyster has
traditional
to
classic
put nacre around
origami
it.
is based around
and
folding into different bases, and then from that base you fold it into different models.
Maybe you should consider
one
a
of the
career
very
in
common
traditional
bases
Western
is the
medicine.
bird base,
What is the tincture
and that's one of the steps in folding a crane, and it's also a step in folding a number of other
It's got
birds.
egg yolks.
Another
and,
base is the water bomb base. So this is
design reviews and less stability testing and things, which are very simple tests. You can do them yourself, but if you're over that threshold in size, you have to pay a naval architect to verify them.